Back with another video. Here to talk about employee versus independent contractors. This is a big thing. You know what I'm saying? This can get you in a lot of trouble. You have a lot of people who work for companies where technically they are not independent contractors, but since the employer doesn't want to pay federal tax, state tax, Social Security tax, and Medicare taxes, they make it simpler by giving you a 1099 NEC when you technically should be getting a W-2. So in those cases where you truly are an employee, because they determine what time you go, what time you get off, what days you have vacations, or what days you can take sick pay, they control the whole environment of work that truly makes you an employee versus an independent contractor. Those companies can definitely get in trouble because if they deem that all these people you got on payroll are underclassed, as they misclassed as independent contractors versus employees, then all the payroll taxes that you should have paid for these people will be calculated, and 99% of the time it ends up in a big balloon payment of all the taxes that you should have paid in the first place that you didn't pay anyway because you're trying to get over in the first place. So you don't want to have to play those type of games with yourself and your business. So you want to make sure that you classify your people correctly. You know what I'm saying? That way you don't have to worry about somebody working for the company and they sure that they should be getting a W-2, but they're not because the IRS has a way for them to call and report the company where they can on their behalf audit them to see should they be an employee versus an independent contractor or not. And if it's deemed that this person should be an employee, then it's a good chance that your whole crew probably fall into the same boat. And so now they audit all your employee records and deem that they all should have been getting W-2s all the time. And now they calculate all the money that you didn't pay in federal taxes, state taxes, Social Security tax, and Medicare tax. And now all these back taxes you have to pay because you failed to classify your people in the correct manner in the first place when it could have been avoided because you want to avoid paying payroll taxes, which is part of doing business. And so don't put yourself in that situation when it comes to your business because it's not worth it. You know what I'm saying? If you don't understand the price of doing business is classifying your people correctly, then it's a good chance you shouldn't be in business. And that's just the truth of it all. The ugly fact is we have a lot of people who call themselves having a business but don't know how to run a business. And these are some of the things they do, and the ones who get caught pay the price dearly, especially if you haven't made any real significant income. Now you in a hole trying to pay these back taxes that you should have been paying in the first place in the form of payroll. And so don't do that to yourself. Make sure you classify your people as employees or independent contractors. Like I said, IRS.gov, you can go to the search box, type in this phrase here, hit the enter button. It'll take you to another results page and you can review that information, read through it yourself, to make sure you understand that misclassification of these people working for you can be a detriment to your business financially. And to avoid that, please classify your people correctly. And I'll see you in my next video.